Hey everyone, welcome back to Pick My Trends, your go-to channel for all things tech and home improvement. If you're looking for the best tools to keep your home fresh and clean, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the world of bed vacuum cleaners. These innovative machines combine UVC light, HEPA filters, ultrasonic tech, and powerful suction to give your mattress and home the deep cleaning it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest product reviews. Let's get into it, starting with 6 of the top-rated mattress vacuums on the market right now. Whether you're tackling dust, pet hair, or hidden allergens, these vacuums have got you covered. First up, we have the Amzany 5-in-1 Cordless Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful device combines 16K of suction with UVC light, ultrasonic tech, and high-frequency tapping to give your mattress a comprehensive cleaning. The standout feature? It's environmental humidity monitoring, so you can track your home's air quality while you clean. It even includes a washable HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Plus, with its cordless design, it's easy to use anywhere around your home. Whether you're dealing with dust mites, bacteria, or pet hair, the Amzany 5-in-1 has you covered with its multi-stage cleaning process. It's ideal for people with allergies or sensitive skin. Plus, its lightweight, ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver on all types of bedding and furniture. Next, we have the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, which boasts a corded design with up to 16 kPa suction and a UVC light that penetrates deep into your mattress to eliminate dust mites and bacteria. The added ultrasonic and heating functions, plus its 500-watt motor, make it one of the most versatile options for a thorough cleaning. It also comes with a HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of tiny particles, so your home stays fresh and allergen-free. This vacuum's high-powered suction and ultrasonic technology not only remove dirt, but also sanitize your mattress. The integrated heating feature ensures the surface temperature rises enough to eliminate germs and bacteria while remaining gentle on your fabrics. Plus, its easy-to-clean dustbin makes it low maintenance. If you're looking for smart tech in your vacuum cleaner, check out the JIGOO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner with Smart Dust Sensor. This model uses a 500-watt motor for 13 kPa suction and integrates UV and ultrasonic technology. The coolest feature here is its Smart Dust Sensor. It calculates the dust level in real time and shows you the cleaning status with a simple color-coded light. It's perfect for households with babies and pets, as it offers up to 99% protection from dust mites and allergens. What sets this vacuum apart is the Smart Dust Sensor, which gives you a visual indicator of the amount of dirt and dust on your mattress. It's like having a built-in air quality monitor while you clean. Plus, the ultrasonic technology reduces noise while ensuring powerful cleaning, and the 130 degrees Fahrenheit heating function gives added sanitation, making it ideal for allergy sufferers.
The FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. With its 16 kPa strong suction, this corded handheld vacuum is designed to remove dust, skin flakes, and other unwanted particles hiding deep in your mattress. Equipped with a 253 7nm UVC light and ultrasonic waves, this vacuum eliminates 99.9% of allergens while safely preventing UV leakage with its gravity-sensing wheels. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of fine particles, ensuring a cleaner and healthier sleeping environment. And let's not forget, this vacuum also features 140 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature drying, helping reduce moisture and odors. With its 500 watts powerful motor and lightweight design, the FEPPO offers a great deep cleaning experience. However, keep in mind that it's not designed for pet hair removal. Next, we have the CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Like the FEPPO, this model also boasts 16 kPa suction power and 253 7nm UVC light, but it adds something extra, a green light dust display. With this feature, you can see the hidden dust before you start cleaning, making it easier to tackle problem areas. This vacuum features a dual cup filtration system with a washable HEPA filter. Unlike ordinary vacuums, it uses cyclone filtration technology to separate dust and prevent clogging. Plus, with a 16.4-foot power cord, this vacuum allows for greater mobility and flexibility while cleaning. And just like the FEPPO, it uses 140 degrees Fahrenheit high temperature drying to remove allergens and moisture.
Last but not least, the Hersven Lightweight UV Bed Cleaner. This compact model features a 12 kPa suction power and UV light that penetrates deep into fabric, making it perfect for light cleaning tasks like pet hair or dust. It's easy to handle, weighing just 1.5 pounds, so it's ideal for quick cleanups without any hassle. Even though it's lightweight, this vacuum doesn't compromise on performance. It still delivers an impressive 12 kPa suction and uses UVC light to sanitize and eliminate germs. It's the perfect tool for a quick refresh on your bedding or sofa, and its ergonomic design means you won't get tired using it. So there you have it, 6 of the best bed vacuums of 2024, each designed to keep your home clean, healthy, and allergen-free. Whether you're looking for UVC tech, ultrasonic cleaning, or high-powered suction, these vacuums have something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Pick My Trends, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest gadgets and cleaning tech. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with these vacuums? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay clean, stay healthy, and as always, pick your trends wisely.